slick spitter. A slim nigga, only fuck with thicker bitches. Can't do the stick figures, Lord deliver. Have mercy on my liver. I've been drinking all this liquor and the party just got litter. I like my women like my jumper when I hit it wet. Youngin' in the game, but I'm ballin' like a vet. I won't quit till I own a couple private jets. Nigga, this my only shot, so I gotta break the net. Living carefree, no regrets. At any moment it could end, so ain't no looking back. Niggas preach about religion, they ain't even true to that. Lying to them people, why you doing that? Rapping about packs and crack, nigga, you ain't moving that. Stay true to rap, that's why I rhyme about weed and shoes and crap. The shit I knew about like Sega Genesis. Hungry hippopotamus. That was way before the Bix was getting flicked. When all I knew was cigarettes, man, I was so innocent. But in a sense, I always knew that I'd be doing this. Write a hit and put it out, I hope somebody feel it. I got some meals to get, nigga, this my meal ticket. Hey. Yeah, man. I want this shit so fucking bad, man. Yeah. Oh, love, new love. I'm finna come back at him, right? Hey, peep this, man. Look, remember when hundreds had small faces? Back when I was spilling Kool-Aid on my laces. When living life was basic. Playing tag and our friends is who we was chasing. Now we chasing dreams and liquor. Trying to see the bigger picture. Changing our lenses so we can see it clearer. But it's all mental. You living how you thinking, my nigga. It's so simple. I'm a walking status symbol. I'm your role model. Hardly ever home, but I rep it when I'm on the road, mama. They say I'm getting cold, mama. I think I heard them say it won't be long, mama, till we own, mama. No more drama, no more problems. You know I got us, and that's a fucking promise. It's one thing I gotta accomplish in this lifetime. Make $1 million off of writing fly rhymes. I gotta get it, hope these niggas and these women feel it. I'm trying to be in the game here for a minute. I mean until I'm finished. Here's my meal ticket. Yeah. Really so having fun. Oh love, new love. I'm hungry. Yeah, man. Hey, listen up, hold on. I got him right here, You ready? I got him. Look, I got next to be the greatest. It's no debating. I say what I mean what I'm saying. A nigga never flaking. The world is ours for the taking. This life is what you make it, nigga, I'ma make it. I want a full plate, I ain't just trying to taste it. I got this talent, I can't waste it. If life a test, then I aced it. I felt this pain and I embraced it. I went from feeling worthless to feeling perfect. I took a chance and it was worth it. Now let me get my joint lit, hey. Yeah, man. D-Town to H-Town, back to D-Town. It's your boy Don Slim, this old love, new love, man. Yeah, I'm out.